Welcome. In this video I'll show how you can update Android Auto. So to start, you will need to find and launch the Play Store app. Now open search and into the search bar type in the Android Auto query. Here it is. Now look for the Android Auto application specifically, open its store page, and here if there will be a newer Android Auto instance or an update available, you'll see the update button right next to uninstall button, I guess, which you'll need to tap on or press, and well, your Android Auto app will be updated this way. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.